Hi students, let us continue with our chapter 19, Mean and Median. So in our previous class we had completed with the topic mean. So today let me start with median. So for any given data, the median is the value of the middle term. How do we find out that? Okay. If n is odd, then median equals to n plus 1 by 2th term. If n is even, then median is equal to half of value of n by 2th term plus value of n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, so this is common formula for finding out the median. So let me start with the questions, so you'll get a clear idea about what is median. So median means it's actually the middle value. If there are odd number of terms, we can exactly take the middle value. If there are even number of terms, you have to add the two middle terms and divide it by 2. So in order to do that, let us start with the first question. And whenever a set of values are given, you are arranging it in either in ascending or descending order, then finding the median. Okay, so let me start with the exercise 19b. Exercise 19b. Question 1. Find the median of 25, 16, 26, 16, 32, 31, 19, 28 and 35. Okay. So what you do here is you are arranging them in order first. Okay. So when you are arranging them in order, you will get it as 16. 16 is repeated twice, you need to write that also. 16, 16, 19, 25, 26, 28, 31, 32, 35. So how many numbers you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so here you have odd number of terms. So odd number of terms means median will be equal to 9 terms are there. So 9 plus 1 by 2th term, that is equal to 10 by 2th term, that is equal to 5th term. Which is the 5th term here? Just have a look. First term, second, third, 4th, 5th. So 5th term is 26. So median is equal to 26. Okay, hope it's clear. Now coming to the next question. Second question. So let me directly arrange this question in the ascending order. So first it is 241. Next number is 243. Next you can write 257, 257, 258, 257, 258, 261, 261, 271, 299, 292 before that, 292, 299, then we have 327, 327, 347, 350. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 5 plus 6, 11 terms. Now 11 terms are there again. Median will be equal to 9 plus 1 by 2 term. Okay. So 11 plus 1 by 2, that is 12 by 2 term equal to 6th term. 6th term. So in this, which is the 6th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 271 is the median. Okay. Similar way you can complete the rest 2 questions of this main. Let me start with the second main. The following data have been arranged in ascending order. So it's already given, it's arranged in ascending order. The median is 63. Find the value of x. So it's in ascending order. Let me write down the question. 34, 37, 53, 55, x plus 2, 77, 83, 89, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 we have. So if it is 10 terms, this will be the midterms, right? So it is x plus 2 by 2, that is equal to 2x plus 2 by 2. 2 will be common, x plus 1 by 2, and that will be equal to, the median is already given to you. What is the median? 63. So x is equal to 63 minus 1, that is equal to, x is equal to 62. What they've asked you? They've asked you to find the value of x. So you've got it. Okay. Now coming to the third main. What's the third main? In 10 numbers arranged in increasing order, the 7th number is increased by 8. By how much will the median? So there are total numbers is 10. So 7th term is increased by 3. Increased by 3. So just think, if there are 10 numbers, we have to worry only about the 5th and 6th term, correct? 10 numbers means median will affect only 5th and 6th term. It is 5th term plus 6th term by 2, correct? It is 10 by 2 plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term, that is 5th and 6th term. So if the 7th term is increased by 3, answer will be, there will be no change. There will be no change in the median. Change in median. Hope it's clear. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Fourth main. Out of 10 students who appeared in test, 3 scored less than 30 marks, 3 secured more than 75 marks. The marks secured by the remaining 4 students are 35, 48, 66 and 40. Find the median of the score. So 10 students appear in the test, 3 scored less than 30. So less than 30 marks I consider it as x, y, z. Okay. After that, arranged it in the order 35. Then we get 48. There's 38, 40, 48, 66. Then 3 scored more than 75. I can take it as A, B, C. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what will be the median? Median will be 1 by 2 of 10 by 2 term plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term. Correct? So that is half of 5th term plus 10 by 2 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6th term. So that is equal to half of, which is the 5th term here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is half of 40 plus 48. So half of 88 equal to 44. Okay. So it is 44 is the median. Coming to the 5th question. The median of observations 10, 11, 13, 17, x plus 5 arranged in ascending order is 18. Okay, let me write down the value. 10, 11, 13, 17, x plus 5, 20, 20, 22, 24 and 53 arranged in ascending order, and the median is given to you as 18. So the 3, 4. We have totally 9. So what will be the median? Median will be 9 plus 1 by 2 term. That is the 10 by 2 term equal to 5th term. What is the 5th term? 5th term is equal to x plus 5. X plus 5 equal to, it's a median. Median is given as 18. So x is equal to 18 minus 5, that is equal to 13. Okay, you will get it as 13. Hope it's clear to you all. With this, we'll be ending with this chapter. Okay, thank you, students.